Hey, what's going on, entrepreneurs? This is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida. How are y'all doing today? So, I wanted to come into you cut this quick video here because I entitled this video basically 5 ways to make money from home. And there is something that I want to give you as an entrepreneur, whether you're in network marketing or whether you're in affiliate marketing or whether you're just a home business entrepreneur. I want to give you something that can kind of give you different ways of that you can make money from home. And I want to give this to you. Now, I will say that before I forget, I want to remind you that if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. I want to say if you are a home business entrepreneur or if you are an affiliate marketer and you want to learn different things to help you with your mindset, to help you with marketing, different tips and tools to help you succeed with your business using the power of the internet, you come to the right channel. So if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subscriber. So let's get into the meat of what I have here, because I have a free download for you. It's probably about 10 pages long, but I kind of give you exactly kind of what you'll see, and then you can hit the download button. So I'm going to kind of stop looking at you guys and then look at my screen so I can kind of go over what you'll be getting in that free download, which is in the description link. Okay. So the download is basically 5 ways to make money from home, the pros and cons of the 5 proven and legitimate ways to start making money from home in 5 days or less with zero experience. So if you come to my YouTube channel and you want to find different ways that you can make money from home legitimately, download this free report and you'll find all the information that you need. At the end of the free report, if you have any questions at all, you will have my personal contact information, so you can contact me directly. My phone number, ways that you can kind of connect with me on, whether it be Facebook or whether it be Instagram, and different ways that you can reach out to me as well. After you finish reading this download free report, you will also see one of my #1 ways to make money on mine, which I recommend, and you'll find that in this report. So enjoy it, download it, consume it, and if you got any questions, let me know. Peace, and I will see you guys on the next video. God bless you guys. Peace.